Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divanus Osuko. So in this video I'm going to show you the easiest step to whiten the teeth. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So on this video I'm going to use the vibrance right here, the adjustment dialog box. So I'm just going to click on the vibrance. So after clicking on the vibrance, I'll just desaturate it to 70. I guess 70 is fine. Let me just type in 70. So 70 is fine. After adjusting it to 70, I'll now invert this layer mask by clicking Ctrl I, or if you're using Mac, you can click on Command I. So after clicking that, I'll now pick a brush. Then the opacity is at 100, flow is at 100. So coming back here, I guess the brush is too big, I'll just reduce it. So after reducing it, I'll now right click on it, then take this hardness to 40 as well. So after taking that, I'll now start painting through the part which I want the effect to be added on, so which is the teeth. So once you're doing yours, you need to be very careful. Don't allow this painting of yours to enter the gum, so just the teeth of the subject. So I'm just going to paint this through. You can see the result is already amazing. So I'm just going to now reduce the brush for this other side, then I'll now paint it. Okay, so you can see it now. Everything is looking so nice and unique. So this is the before and this is the after of it. So this is the simplest way of how you can whiten the teeth. If you're doing multiple pictures, you can just do this with just 1 minute or so. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. But for now, bye. See you in the next video.